We're taking that narrative that gardening is kind of what you do when you can't do anything else, to being gardening is a way of nourishing ourselves, of carrying forth our history, is a noble profession. We're here at Acorn Community Farm, which is the home of Southern Exposure Seed Exchange. Acorn is an intentional community. We cooperatively own these 72 acres of certified organic farmland here in Mineral, Virginia. We not only run a seed company here, but have an experiment in economic justice in farming. It's sometimes very difficult to figure out, how do you get into farming? How do you own land? And one option is sharing, helping people figure out how they can make more of the farm dollar, stay on their farm, is an ongoing part of our mission, in addition to, serving the gardeners so that they have the ability to save seeds should they choose to in the future. We offer over 800 varieties on our online store and about 700 in our catalog of heirloom, open pollinated, non-GMO vegetable, flower, and herb seeds. 50 years ago, most farmers saved a few seeds just because it was easy. At the Second World War, hybrids came along and they offer uniformity, sometimes high performance, but sometimes not any better performance than the best open pollinated varieties. But they do make more money and make farmers more dependent on seed companies. And so they have become the standard. I have a new project, African heritage seed collection I'm trying to do. And we're adding things like callaloo, amaranth, and we're going to offer an edible celosia. It's beautiful. These are traditional in African American communities, but because of the Great Migration, a lot of these varieties that seeds were saved in families got lost. Chasing some of that history and associating it with those people is my new excitement. Heirloom seeds survive because of their flavor, of their unique characteristics agronomically, but their stories are what carry them into the future.